If you want more privacy on Instagram, turning off your active status is a smart option. This feature prevents other users from seeing when you are online or when you were last active. Follow this professional step-by-step guide to hide your activity status on Instagram in 2026. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the Settings and Activity menu, where Instagram privacy and account controls are available. Scroll down until you find the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Under this category, tap Messages and Story Replies. This area contains messaging and visibility settings related to your account activity. After opening the menu, look for the option labeled Show Activity Status. Tap on it to continue. You will now see a toggle switch beside the setting. To hide your online activity, tap the toggle switch to turn it off. When disabled, the switch will change from blue to gray. This means your followers and people you message will no longer see when you are active or recently online. Keep in mind that once you disable activity status, you also will not be able to see the activity status of other Instagram users. This setting can be turned back on anytime by following the same steps.